Now first question 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 3 and dot 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 it is given. Okay. So that means it is given that it is in AP. It is given that it is in AP means difference must be seen. Okay. So that means first term A1 equals to what? First what is given, that will be the first term. So that is equals to 3. You got it? Now difference D, how we will find? We know that A2 minus A1. That means second term minus the first term. So A2 minus A1. So now put the values here. A2 is how much? 1. Then minus, what is A1? That is 3. So minus 2. So here in this case what? As it is in AP, first term equals to 3 and difference, common difference equals to minus 2. Only one time also if you are finding, you will get it answer of B correct, because you know that the sequence is in AP. Okay, understood? That is why we are not finding the other two values. Otherwise you can find for this also. That is A3 minus A2. Same way as we have done in the example 1. Okay, likewise you can find. Everywhere you will have the same D value, that is minus 2, because the series is in AP. Okay, now third one. Second one, do it as homework. Okay, third one is 1 upon 3, comma 5 upon 3, comma 9 upon 3, comma 13 upon 3. Okay, and then as you can see here, dot 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 is given, means which type of AP it is? Infinite AP. Okay, there is no end, means it is infinite AP. Now what is the first term? First term A1 equals to what? First what is given? 1 upon 3. So that will be 1 upon 3. Now difference. Common difference, how will you find? Common difference. We know that the sequence or series is in AP. Means difference between the first two also will be the same as third to the second or fourth to the third. Right? Because it is in AP, so everywhere the constant difference will be there. So common difference will be equals to D equals to A2 minus A1. Now what is A2? You can see that 5 upon 3 minus, what is A1? 1 upon 3. When you subtract, how much you will get? 4 upon 3. Clear? Therefore you can write as it is in AP, first term equals to A1 equals to 1 upon 3 and D equals to 4 upon 3. Answer. So likewise, second and fourth question, do it as homework. Homework is second question and fourth question of the same. Question number 3. Okay, do it as homework. Next, you can see the fourth one's first question is 2, 4, 8, 16 dot dot dot. As dot 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 is given means you know that it is in infinite AP. Means first you have to find whether it is AP or not, but infinite series you know. Okay, so now see, A1 equals to 2, then A2 equals to what? Second term is 4, A3 third term is what? 8, and fourth term is what? 16. Okay, now D you find out. D equals to A2 minus A1, which is equals to how much? Put the values here. What it is? 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. Second case, D equals to A3 minus A2, which is equals to 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Then D equals to A4 minus A3, which is equals to 16 minus 8 equals to 8. So you can see different ones we are getting. Different answer. Here D is 2, here D is 4, and here D is 8. So every time D value is different. That means is the particular sequence is in AP? No. So you can write no, it will not make AP because the common difference or difference between terms are not same. So if it is not in AP, so 3 more terms, no need to find out. In the question it is given that if the sequence is in AP, then you have to find the 3 more terms. So in this case, no need to go for it. Now second question is 2 comma 3 upon. Now here second question is 2 comma 5 upon 2 comma 3 comma 7 upon 2 dot dot dot. Okay. So here you can see A1 equals to what? 2. First term is 2. Now second term A2 equals to what? 5 upon 2. A3 is what? 3. A4 equals to 7 upon 2. If it is in AP means common difference will be same. So we will find what? D now. So D equals to what? A2 minus A1. Here now what is A2? 5 upon 2 minus 2. So which will be equals to 1 upon 2. Now second one, D equals to A3 minus A2. Now what is A3? 3 minus 5 upon 2. So here it will be 1 upon 2. Again D equals to A4 minus A3, which is equals to how much? 7 upon 2 minus 3, which is equals to 1 upon 2. So here you can see everywhere D is same. That means it is in AP. Okay. If it is in AP, you have to find 3 more terms. So A4 up to A4 it is given. So next term will be what? A5. So A5 how will you find? We know that A plus 4D. 4D. Right? So which is equals to A is how much? First one, that is 2 plus 4 into how much is the D? 1 upon 2, which is equals to how much? 2 plus. Here you can see numerator 4, denominator 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it will be 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4. Okay. Then next one, that is 6th term. So that will be A plus 5D. Okay. Which is equals to 2 plus 5 into 1 upon 2. Which is equals to how much? 2 plus 5 upon 2. Which is equals to how much? On taking LCM and all, you know that 9 upon 2. Then next one, A7, because next 3 more terms you have to find out. So next is A7. So A plus 6D, which is equals to 2 plus 6 into 1 upon 2. So again numerator 6, denominator 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. So 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Okay. So 3 more terms are. So the series will be how much? First one, that is 2, comma 5 upon 2, comma 3, comma 7 upon 2, comma, now fifth term is 4, comma, sixth term is 9 upon 2 and seventh term is 5. So this will be the answer. Okay? Good morning children. Now exercise 5.1, fourth question, third part, fourth part, sixth part, 8th, 10th and 15th will be your homework. Now we will see the fifth one. Okay, fifth one is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2 root 2, comma 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So dot is given means it is your infinite AP. You have to check whether it is AP or not. AP means you know common difference must be the same. So you can write here, first one is what? First A1 equals to 3. First term is 3. Now second term, that is D equals to A2 minus A1. Here what is A2? That is, this I can write as A1, A2, A3, A4 likewise. Okay, so A2 minus A1, that is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So that will be equals to what? 3 plus root 2 minus 3, which is equals to what? These two cancel, plus 3 minus 3, so root 2 will be there. Now we will check for another term, so that if the common difference is same, that means it is your in AP. So again we can write D equals to A3 minus A2. So if this difference and these two are same means what? It is a AP. So it was to what? A3 is this one is A3. The third term, so 2 root 2 minus A2 is what? Second term, that is 3 plus root 2 equals to 3 plus 2 root 2, then minus 3 minus root 2. This plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Here 2 root 2 minus root 2 will be what? Only root 2. Okay, so you can see the common difference is same. So you can write as the common difference is D is same. This is in AP. This is in AP. This series is in AP. Okay. So if it is in AP, you have to find what? D. So D we got. Now the 3 more terms you have to find. After that A4, A5 you have to find. So A5 equals to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. So that is A is what? A is 3 first term plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into D is what? Root 2. So that will be 3 plus 4 root 2. Clear? A5. Now A6 will be how much? A plus then 6 minus 1 into D, which is equals to 3 plus 5 into root 2 equals to 3 plus 5 root 2. And A7 will be how much? A plus 7 minus 1 into D, which is equals to 3 plus 6 into root 2, which is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. So you can write thus the 3 terms are 3 terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, then 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Answer. Okay. Now let us see the 7th question. Seventh question is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and then dot. So first again same way solution will be what? A equals to 0 first term. Okay, and then this is also in A1, A2, A3, A4 likewise. So the common difference will be A2 minus A1, which is equals to minus 4 minus 0 minus 4. Same way again, second term we will check it out. A3 minus A2 equals to, what is A3? Minus 8. Okay, here we can write again B equals to, and then this is another part, D equals to minus 8 minus of, what is A2? Minus 4, which is equals to minus 8 plus 4 equals to minus 4. So that means minus 4 in both the cases. So the series is in, thus it is in AP as the common difference is same. The first term, after that you can see A1 is there, A2 is there, A3 is there, A4 is there. Now 3 more terms means A5 we have to find. A5 will be what? A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Same way. Now what is A? A is 0 plus 4 into, what is D? Minus 4. So which is equals to minus 16. Same way now A6, that is A plus 6 minus 1 into D, which is equals to what? 0 plus 5 into minus 4, which is equals to minus 20. Then A7 equals to what? A plus 7 minus 1 into D, which is equals to 0 plus 6 into minus 4, which is equals to minus 24. Thus, the three terms, the three more terms, are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Answer. Okay, and then after that you can see 8th one is homework. Now 9th one we will see. Okay, 9th question is what? 9th question is, that is 1, 3, 9, 27, dot dot dot. Okay, so here you can see what is A. A is 1. So D equals to what? A2 minus A1. That is second term minus first term. So that is equals to, second term is 3 minus 1. So this is 2. Now again suppose D I am taking another one. Third term minus the second term. What I'll get? So third term is 9 minus second term is 3. So this is 4. So here you can see D is not same. Okay. So you can write here D is not same. Hence the series is not in AP. Okay. Now next one, 10th one is homework. Then 11th one we'll see. 11th question is, that is A, 11th one. Okay. 11th question is A, comma, A to the power 2, then A to the power 3, A to the power 4, and so on. Okay. So now you can see here A1 equals to what? First term is 1A. First one is A. Now D will be equals to what? A2 minus A1, which is equals to what? A2 term is A square minus A. So what is common here between this? A. So A minus 1 is D. Now check it out for the second one, or D equals to what? A3 minus A2. Now check for another one, that is A cube minus third term minus second term. So third term is A cube minus second term is A square. So now here A square common. So what is there? A minus 1. So we can see that. So you can write here D is not same. Therefore, this is not in AP. Okay. Now we can see that 12th question. 12th question is, 12th one is root 2 comma 8 root 8 comma root 18 comma then root 32 comma dot dot dot. Okay, so here we can see a1, that is a equals to what? Root 2, that is the first term. Now d will be equals to what? A2 minus a1. So here second term, that is root 8 minus root 2. Now this root 8 I can write 2 root 2, because we know that 8 is 4 into 2. 4 is a perfect square. So 2 will come out, perfect square of 2. So 2 root 2 minus root 2. So this will be only root 2. Clear my on subtraction? Same way another d, that is again d equals to what? A3. We have to check whether both the d's are same or not. Common difference between the second to the first term and third to the second term. So a3 minus a2, which is equals to what? A3 is what? Root 18 minus root 8, which is equals to this. You know that it is 9 into 2. 18 is 9 into 2. So 9 is a perfect square of 3. So it will come as 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So on subtraction, what you will get? Only root 2. So you can see d is same. So you can write here d equals to root 2 is same. Same in all the cases. In all the cases. Therefore, this is in AP. Now AP means 3 more terms you have to find. So 3 more terms means what is given? A1 is given, A2 is given, A3 is given, A4 is given. Right? So now we have to find what? A5. So equals to A plus 5 minus 1 into D, which is equals to A is what? Root 2 plus 4 into D is what? Root 2. So that will be root 2 plus 4 root 2 will be what? 5 root 2. Then A6, sixth term, will be A plus 6 minus 1 into D, which is equals to what? A is root 2 plus 5 into root 2. So will be equals to root 2 plus 5 root 2. So which is equals to 6 root 2. Same way A7 will be what? A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Okay, which is equals to A is what? Root 2 plus 6 into root 2. So which will be equals to root 2 plus 6 root 2 equals to 7 root 2. So thus the three more terms are what? 5 root 2 comma 6 root 2 comma 7 root 2. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, now after that 12th one, we will see 13th one. Okay. Thirteenth question is what? Root 3 comma root 6 comma root 9 comma root 12 dot 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 like this. So here you can write again same way. First term a1 equals to a equals to what? Root 3. Then d equals to what? A2 minus a1, which is equals to what? Root 6. Second term is root 6 minus root 3. This root 6 I can write as root 2 into root 3 minus root 3. So root 3 common. So what it is? Root 2 minus 1. Same way another one, we'll check it out for the third and second term, that is a3 minus a2. Both must be same. So now here root 9 minus root 6. So this root 9 I can write, you know that 9 is a perfect square of 3. So 3 will come out. That 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. Then minus 2 root 2 into root 3. So now in both the cases root 3 is common. So take that.
Now what is left out? Root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so now you can see, are the both D same? No, so it is not in AP. So you can write here D is not same. Therefore this is not in AP. Clear? Understood, children? Now shall we go for 14th one? Yes. Now 14th one is what? It is given that 1 square, comma 3 square, comma 5 square, comma 7 square, and so on. 7 square, comma dot dot dot. Okay. So now for this, first we will convert it into the simplest form. That is 1, comma 3 square is 9, comma 5 square is 25, then 7 square is 49, and dot dot dot. Okay. So now what is that? A1? A1 equals to A, first term equals to A equals to 1. Now what is D? D subtracted 9 minus 1. That is, here you can write first A2 minus A1, which is equals to, put the value 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8. Now another part we will find for third and second term. That is D equals to A3 minus A2, which is equals to 25 minus 9, which will be equals to how much? It will be 16. So both the D's are same? No. So you can write that as in both the D, that is common difference term, common difference terms are not, common difference is not same. This is not in AP. Okay, and 15th one I gave you as homework, so complete that. Okay, clear, children?